name's David Williams. I'm from St. Charles, Missouri. And this is my favorite time of the year, coming down to the Shelby meet.
Favorite time of the year indeed. David, how long have you owned the car?
I've had this car close to 10 years.
That is awesome. I know that you've got quite a collection that you run, and there's a lot of other aspects that you get into. Are there any other cars you run out here, or any other? I guess it really doesn't matter what else you run. This is the coolest car I've seen today.
Yeah. Well, this is the one I've been campaigning since I bought that car. And, you know, I drive that on the streets, and then we converted to a race car.
So it was originally a street car, and we've gone full race car with it.
Yes.
That is amazing.
Well, and what I was told when I bought this car, it's a GT40R, which Super Performance made this car, but it was the first R model that Super Performance made in the GT40.
Okay. That is all Greek to me, so that's amazing. It sounds like it's a very special unit for sure. I enjoyed the heck out of riding it. It sounds amazing. 89 or 98's your number. Is that, you got any story behind your number, or you just gotta have
I just always liked the number.
That's cool. I can get with that.
And I think Shelby used it.
Oh, okay, yeah, we can get behind that 100%.
Yeah, you betcha.
When you took it from the street car to the race car, what was the biggest difference that you noticed? Or what was the thing that, like, you kind of...
We put slicks on it. I put a race seat in it. It got a little different tune on it.
Okay.
So we've upgraded the brakes, and it helps me quite a lot with these new brakes that we've had on here for some years.
Yes, excellent. And I know everybody at home is going to ask, because in the background of all of these photos is this beautiful drag car of yours. Can you tell me a little bit about that while I walk around it?
Well, I've owned that car 23 years, and it used to be I used to road race it before I got this car, and then we turned it strictly into a drag car. So that car's twin turbo, 427, pushing between 1,000 and 1,100 horsepower. The fastest time we ran with that was an 869 at 164 mile an hour.
That's blisteringly fast.
Yeah, it's a pretty fast car, and it's a handful to drive.
I cannot imagine. It's such a beauty to look at. The fact that both of these are in the same garage with the same owner is just, that gets me excited. That should get you guys excited. That's really cool.
I'm blessed to be able to drive two killer cars like this.
And you've also done drag bikes too, right?
I used to drag race Harleys back in the 80s, and for a couple of years I had the #1 plate with my Harley.
So we're talking to a legend, you guys. He's got all the moves, and he's got the history to back it, plus all the cool toys. This is amazing. What an experience for me to get the chance to hang out and go for a ride and bring some of that home to you guys. Is there anything else, any sponsors you need to thank, or anybody we want to send off before I send you off?
Rob that comes with me and keeps this car running for me. He does a wonderful job. And then I've got another team that works on this car that they'll be down tonight for the drag strip tomorrow.
That's going to be so cool. Guys, Rob is his mechanic, and he is so nice. I was talking to him yesterday, and he really is just a fountain of youth as far as knowledge goes. He was just giving me tons, and it was...
He knows his car.
He knows his car, he knows his stuff, and did you guys do the valve covers last night?
This morning.
This morning. They did the valve cover gaskets on this morning. They're just always maintaining it, keeping it up to par, so really cool stuff to see out here at Hallett. Really, really cool stuff to see out here at Hallett. You guys have a great rest of your day. We'll see you next
Peace.
time.